Hey guys, so you know I've been playing a lot with vellum lately, so I want to go ahead and show you this card I started to make here. I actually bought this piece of vellum paper here, and it's already dry embossed. It came like this. If you have a Cricut or a Big Shot, a Cuttlebug, you can probably run an embossing folder on vellum and create some sort of similar effect. So anyway, for this card, I wanted it to be the card, the vellum itself. It's thick enough, and I just thought it would be kind of a nice card as a background. So the next thing I did was I went ahead and cut paper. I want to say this is about 2.5 by 3, 2 by 3 roughly, maybe a little longer. And I went ahead and cut that and glue that in the center for the inside. As my sentiment. And what I'm going to do is I took another piece, another piece of paper, same size, and I'm going to glue it on top like that. But before I do that, I wanted to put a sentiment on here that would be embossed, so heat embossed. So I'll show you what I mean by that. So here I have my heat mat, and I'm using my little coffee filter so that the powder sort of stays. Then I'm going to take my little embossing buddy here and run that over the surface of the card. The stamp set I'll be using will be this from this Stampin Up Truly Cute Sentiments, and I went ahead and grabbed the Congratulations one. That's the one I'll be using. I'm gonna see if I can make it fit here on this block, this clear block here. These cling stamps are a little tricky. All right, I think I'm ready. Let's not forget my embossing ink, my clear. So I'm gonna go ahead and soak it, get that thing really well. It's inked really well. I'm going to go ahead and stamp it in the center. And I'm going to get my silver embossing powder here. Make sure that sentiment's covered. Then I'm gonna take my heat gun here, and we're gonna go ahead and emboss that. I'm going to use my pen here to keep it from blowing away. And there you go, creates this really nice effect. So that's going to be on my card here. It's going to be the front of my card. I think I'm going to be making some sort of wedding card. I also have these little flowers. I'm going to stick on there, and it's just going to be a pretty simple card. Okay guys, so I decided I found these flowers that I had, and then I went ahead and stuck on these pearl stickers, and then I also had these rhinestones so I went ahead and stuck on a silver one on this little white one. took me a while to find the right combination, again, of what I liked with what I had. And so I'm going to go ahead and stick the card on like that. So that's going to be my full card. Again, I'm going back to using my Tombow glue, which I really like. I already stuck on the flowers for these two, so I'm going to go ahead and just attach the base. I think that's actually from accidentally burning the paper. Good thing it's on the back. I'm going to glue that down there. Glue works better because the surface is kind of bumpy. It will hold more. And then I'm going to go ahead and glue this little flower as well here. They are actually not that easy to stick on, surprisingly. There we go. So I'm gonna go ahead and cover something over it to make sure it dries. And that's gonna be my card. Thanks, guys. Bye.